Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my cotton cuts box. This is the one from February. I am a little behind on my cotton cuts, so let's get this baby open and see if I can figure out what the fabrics are. Okay. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Okay. They always have these little cards inside. And this one says, don't ever let anyone dull your sparkle. That's super cute. And my box was put together by Allie. So thank you, Allie, for this. And it looks like in my box, I have some floral, some reproduction, holiday seasonal, and blenders. So very happy about that. The designer spotlight is Jemima Flint. And it says, okay, so her name is Jemima Flint, but she goes by Gemma. I'm Gemma Flint from Tied with a Ribbon. I'm a pattern designer, author, fabric designer, and quilt maker based in Perth, Western Australia. Awesome! Come on, baby. I used to do a lot of crafts with my Nana as a young girl, sewing, learning to crochet, and bake. My mom also was always sewing clothes for my family, so it has always been a big part of my childhood. When I was about 17, Jellybean is now bathing right here. When I was about 17, I found quilting. I would read books and have my mom take me to get fabrics or raid her stash to make them. As I grew older, I started learning all about quilting techniques, how to make different traditional blocks, and how to machine quilt. I was a high school home economics teacher before leaving to pursue quilting professionally. My first book, Weekend Quilting, was released in 2017, and my second book, Quilt Big, was released in 2018. I am very passionate about teaching and inspiring people to learn to quilt. I design modern quilt patterns and other sewing projects under my label Tied with a Ribbon for all levels of makers. Teaching workshops and sharing my designs at trunk shows is one of my favorite things to be involved in. My first fabric collection, Baby on Trend Storybook Volume 1, was released in September 2020 for Two Green Zebras in collaboration with Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And my second fabric collection will be due in stores in April 2021. Awesome! Okay, so this is Gemma Flint, Tied with a Ribbon, and she is in Perth, Western Australia. And we get to pick one of her designs for free. And this is very nice. I'm liking all of them. Okay, so she's got Confetti, Aurora, Labyrinth, and New Dawn. Okay, so here are the options. Confetti. This is Aurora. This one is Labyrinth and New Dawn. And I will have pictures of them to one side. And hopefully, like, while I'm reading her bio, I could have those going up as well, because you don't need to see me while I'm reading that. So you probably saw those. Okay, so I have to pick one, and I have to tell you, for me, it's between New Dawn and Confetti. So they are like catty corner. I like this one and I like this one. So I'm not sure which one I would pick, but I like the two of those. The block of the month is Spool. There it is. And if you would like a chance to win, what are they giving away? A Chroma Petite Pop, then you would color in this sheet and you would post it on social media somewhere with the hashtag CC Color Challenge. And they pick one name and one person wins. Okay, so Jellybean is so cute. He's like helping out right here. Okay, so the lanyap this month is an adorable sewing themed gel pen. And oh my goodness, I love this. Look at this. It's a pen, and you could also use it to measure an inch. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's a gel pen. I love it. Thank you. I love this. Okay, and so now, let me tell you what the fabrics are. I'm going to have floral inside. The floral that is inside is the Flower Society by Art Gallery Fabrics. Very happy to get that. I have seen the Flower Society. I think it's gorgeous. I didn't really study it a whole bunch, so hopefully I can figure out which ones are which. The reproduction is Flea Market by Lori Holt for Riley Blake, and I think I've seen a little bit of it, but Lori Holt usually stands out to me, so we'll see. The holiday seasonal is Easter Egg Hunt by NATALIA, JUAN, ABELLO for Riley Blake, and I think I've seen that. So, of course, it says Easter Egg Hunt, so that might give it away. And then the blenders are Modern Classics by Violet Craft for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And I should know what that is because I think I sell some of that. So, okay, this is going to be fun. Here's my box. And I'm loving the look of it. The colors are totally me. Nice and bright and gorgeous. And look, it'll go with my fingernails. What? My Easter fingernails. Okay, so let's start looking at these fabrics and figuring this out. Okay. Jellybean, you gonna help me out, baby? You gonna help mommy out? Okay. How do I want to do this? Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna just quick put them into piles of what I think goes where. This is, so far I'm doing okay. Yep. Ooh, poopy doo. Sorry, dropped some fabric. That's not fun. Let's see here. Okay, that goes there, that goes there. Oh, poopy doo. What is this? I think that might go there. I think that goes there. Boom. Boom. Oh no, what is this? There, maybe? What else do I have? Oh, then I'm supposed to have, oh. Okay, it's not as easy as I thought. Oh no. Okay, you know what? I'm going with my first gut. We're just gonna go with this and let's move on. I do have my Starbucks here. It's obviously, you know, like down to the wire. This was a iced caramel macchiato with an extra shot. Okay, here we go. Y'all ready? I'm just going to leave everything like it is, like I said, and we're going to go with whatever it is. We're going for it. I'm going to say that this is Flea Market by Lori Holt. That's what I'm going to say. I'll just stick with that. I am going to say, let's do these next because I think I might be right. I'm saying that this is Modern Classics by Violet Craft. I'm going to say that this, and I know this is right, Modern Classics by Violet Craft. And therefore I know this is correct. Modern Classics by Violet Craft. I am totally sure on those two. Positively. All right. I think these are right. I could be wrong. Here we go. This is The Flower Society by Art Gallery Fabrics. And y'all, I know I sound very sure of myself, but if by chance this is the first time you're watching me do this, whatever's coming out of my mouth is a guess. Whatever is written on the bottom of the screen here is the absolute gospel truth. Okay, I'm saying that this is The Flower Society by Art Gallery Fabrics. And this is The Flower Society by Art Gallery Fabrics. This is The Flower Society by Art Gallery Fabrics. Jellybean looks doubtful though. I'll just put that out there. Okay, and then finally, I think that the rest of these are Easter egg hunt. So I think this is Easter egg hunt. What you think? I don't know. There's a big egg on it. I don't know what gives it away. Okay, I'm going to say that this is Easter egg hunt, because that just looks like what I would put as a blender for Easter egg hunt. And I'm saying that this is Easter egg hunt. I think those are little baby tulips. I don't know, but they're super cute. And then finally, this is definitely Easter egg hunt, because we know that the Easter bunny wants a carrot. Okay, so there they are. Let me pop them back in here. Jellybean, what you think? You think I got them right? You're just going to keep napping there, buddy? Yeah. You're not very helpful right this moment. Okay. The only one I am a little concerned about is like this guy right here, because I'm not 100% sure that that's Violet Craft. That might be a Lori Holt, so maybe these two go together. I don't really know. Whatever I had typed on the bottom is correct. So there we go. I have the entire box open, and I'd love to know what you think about those fabrics. Now, again, this one is from February. It took me a while to get to it. And I'll be posting one real soon for March, because I have that box as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good night. Mwah.